Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Molotow masking fluid with watercolors. Masking fluid is a solution used to preserve the white of the paper, and I'll show you how to use it in just a second. For this demonstration, I will use my Sakura Koi watercolors, which I love because they are super pigmented and there is a lot of different colors in this palette. The Molotow Art Masking Fluid Pen. The package said you can use it with markers, airbrush, acrylic, and alcohol-based ink. A dust-free eraser from Faber-Castell. A number 10 Winsor & Newton Cutman round brush. A 9x12 Canson watercolor paper. And some tape to keep the watercolor paper flat. Shake your pen a couple of times before the first use and then pump softly so the liquid can float to the tip. Masking fluid usually comes in a bottle and it is applied with a brush. But the problem is that it's really difficult to clean the brush after the fluid has dried, and people often end up throwing them away. With this pen I have more control, and if the masking fluid dries in the tip, I can simply remove it and keep drawing. The solution is latex free for those with allergies. And another great thing is that the tip can be replaced and the pen is refillable. Here I'm applying the watercolors with the wet and wet technique to create different effects on the paper. It is super important to let the paint dry before this step. Now, I find very difficult to remove this masking fluid by hand, and a trick to make the job easier is to use an eraser like this. As you can see, the lines are very sharp and clean. There are a couple of specks, but overall, I'm very satisfied with how they came out. If you like this video, let me know by hitting the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.